Hey everyone, and welcome back to Unpack English, where we believe in studying smart, not just studying hard. Today, we're diving into a super practical tech skill, how to find your computer's IP address. Whether you're using a Mac or a Windows PC, knowing this can be a lifesaver when you're troubleshooting network issues. Talking to tech support, or setting up new devices on your network. It sounds complicated, but trust me, it's really simple. Let's get right into it and make your tech life a little bit easier. First up, for all you Mac users out there, it's a breeze. Start by clicking the little Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that drops down, select System Settings. Now, if you're on an older version of macOS, this might be called System Preferences, but it does the same thing. Once you're in there, look for an icon that says Network and give that a click. In the new window, you'll see a list on the left side with your different connection types. Find the one you're currently using. It'll probably be Wi-Fi or Ethernet and select it. Right there on the right side of the screen, you should see your IP address displayed clearly. If for some reason it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Just look for a button that says Details or Advanced. Click it, and then navigate to the TCP/IP tab. Your IP address will be waiting for you there. Now, let's switch gears and talk about how to do this on a Windows computer. It's just as quick, but we'll use a different tool called the command prompt. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner, or you can just press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type the letters CMD. You'll see command prompt pop up as the best match. Go ahead and press Enter to open it. A black window with text will appear. Don't be intimidated. All you have to do is type one simple command. That's IPCONF-FIG. After typing it, press Enter. A bunch of information will show up, but you only need to look for one line. Scan down until you see IPv4 address. The series of numbers right next to that is your computer's IP address. And here's a quick tip to make sure you're looking at the right information. When you use the ipconfig command on Windows, you might see several sections. If you're connected to the internet wirelessly, make sure you're looking under the section titled Wireless LAN Adapter Wi-Fi. If your computer is plugged directly into your router with a cable, you'll want to look under the section called Ethernet Adapter. Ethernet. This just helps you find the correct IP address for your active connection. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you've learned how to find your IP address on both Mac and Windows systems. Super easy, right? Now, you're equipped with another useful piece of tech knowledge. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with anyone else who might need it. This is Unpack English, bringing you simple English for real life and work.